In this video, we will discuss the differentiation between plants and animals. In our previous lecture, we talked about an introduction to biology, two main branches of biology, then difference between living things and non-living things. Also, we talked about importance of biology and characteristics of living organisms. So, without further ado, let's get started. In less than 5 minutes, let's discuss the difference between plants and animals. Number one, under plants, they are autotrophic, which means they can manufacture their own food by use of photosynthesis or chlorophyll. Limited movements, which means there's no organs of locomotions. Slow response to external stimuli, they can respond very slow. And also no sense organs, there's no any sense organs. And also plants do not have excretory system. The next ones, spirit body form, which is non-symmetrical, which means they are unlimited growth. And grow is apical, means the can grow, the root of the plant can grow a very grow, and cells are enclosed in a rigid cellular cell walls, and cell walls provide mechanical support. These are main features of plants. When we talk about under animals, they are heterotrophic, they can't manufacture their own food, lack of photosynthesis, and they are heterotrophic, they are ready-made and move about freely, which means they have well organs of locomotions, example flagella, cilia, and other things. Rigid, respond to external stimuli. It is very respond to external stimuli. They can vary, and also well-developed sense organs. We have sense organs like ear and heart, and something skins, and also well-developed excretory system. We can remove waste products. We have well-developed that excretory system by use of kidney, and also compact symmetrical body, which means limited. We have a limitation while growing. And also the next one is grow occur equally in all parts. Under animals, their grow is not apical. And also the next one will be lack of cell wall. Animals do not have a cell wall, but plants have a cell wall. And also external or internal skeletals provide mechanical support. So you have to notice this between two. Under plants, cell wall provide a mechanical support, while under animal, external or internal skeletal system that will provide mechanical support. And also they are autotrophic plants, while animals are heterotrophic. There is no sense organs, no excretory system, unlimited grow is apical, but under animal, well-developed sense organs, well-developed excretory system, compact symmetrical body, and grow occur equally in all parts, lack of cell wall. Notice that plants have a cell wall and cell membrane, while animals only have a cell membrane. So all we come at the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. In our next video, we are going to talk about an introduction to the classification of living organisms. Do have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.